Hello, crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and explorers. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake Alice token. Okay, if you are familiar with Alice token, it's already listed in Binance Exchange. Now it's already in PancakeSwap. Make sure you have Trust Wallet app. Now we will go inside my Trust Wallet app. Okay, so as you can see, I have 109.66 cake token worth 1,157 US dollar. And you must have smart chain BNB coin because this is the coin that can be used for all transaction as gas or network fee. Okay, let's go to the dApps and we will look for PancakeSwap website. It's already in my history. If you do not have the website of PancakeSwap, I will put it on description of this video. So I will click PancakeSwap. Make sure you have the right blockchain network. This one, click this one. And choose smart chain. Okay, so smart chain. And after choosing the blockchain smart chain network, make sure your address is already connected. And now we will go to this button and click pools. This one. We can see the Alice token inside the pools section. Okay, scroll up. Okay, here is the Alice pool. This one. You need a cake token in order for you to stake Alice token. So click approve. Then you will be charged 0.17 cents. Then click approve. Wait for it to get approved. Okay, so I'm approved already. Click plus button. As you can see, you have APR here. The percentage is 3,024%. So click plus sign. And then click max. And then confirm. I will be charged 0.51 cents. Then approve. Pending confirmation. Let's wait. Okay, so I already staked my 109.66 cake token to Alice pool. This one. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and click notification bell for you to get notified every time I uploaded a new video. Thank you and have a good day.